Your business phone rings. You're busy. The caller waits, gives up, and calls your competitor instead. Today we fix that forever. I built an AI that texts every missed caller back within seconds, no coding, and at the end, the whole build is yours to download. Picture Maria. She runs a bakery. Saturday morning rush, ovens on, line out the door. Her phone rings twice. She can't grab it. Both callers hit voicemail and hang up. Here's the brutal part, those two calls were probably catering orders. Real money, gone in 30 seconds, and Maria doesn't even know it happened. This is the silent leak in almost every small business. It's not the missed call that hurts you. It's the silence afterwards. So imagine this instead, the moment a call slips through, your customer instantly gets a friendly text. Sorry we missed you, we'll ring you right back. The lead stays warm. Nobody walks away. That's exactly what we're building today. Step by step. Zero code. We need exactly two tools. First, N8N. If you've never seen it, N8N is a free automation app, think digital Lego. You drag blocks onto a canvas, snap them together, and each block does one job: catch a call, make a decision, send a text. You can run it on your own computer for free. Second, Twilio. Twilio gives your business a phone number that automations can control, and it's pay-as-you-go, literally cents per text. Here's how they team up. Someone calls your number. Twilio notices what happened and instantly tells N8N. N8N checks if the call was missed, has AI write a reply, and texts the caller back. All of it in seconds. And don't worry about signing up for Twilio yet, you'll see why in a minute. First block on the canvas, a webhook. Fancy word, simple idea, a webhook is just a doorbell. It sits there quietly with its own web address, and when something rings it, the workflow wakes up. Over in Twilio, every phone number has a setting called the call status callback. Paste your doorbell's address in there, and that's the entire connection. Done. From now on, every time a call ends, Twilio presses the doorbell and hands over the details, who called, and how the call ended. No passwords. No code. And here's the part one love for testing, because it's just a doorbell on the internet, we can press it ourselves with a fake missed call. Which means you can test this entire system today, before Twilio is even involved. Next block, a simple IF. Because we don't want to text everyone. If you answered the call and chatted for 10 minutes, texting sorry we missed you is just weird. Twilio tells us exactly how each call ended: completed, no answer, busy, or failed. So the IF block asks one question: did this caller actually miss us? No answer, busy, or failed, come through, we've got you. Completed? Nothing happens. The workflow stops, quietly. This one little block keeps the whole system polite. You will never spam a customer you just spoke to, and you'll never pay for a text you didn't need. Now the block that makes this yours. It's called Business Info, Edit ME, and it's literally a form with 6 boxes. Your business name. What you do. Your hours. Your booking link. Which AI model to use. And a switch called Demo Mode, remember that one, it's important in a minute. This is the only block you ever need to touch. Change the bakery to a plumbing company, a law office, a hair salon. The AI reads this form and instantly speaks in your brand.
Test in demo mode until the messages sound right. Going live is 3 small steps. Flip demo_mode off, enable the Twilio node and connect your Twilio credential, and paste the webhook URL into your Twilio number's call status callback. Cost-wise, N8N is free self-hosted. The default AI model is free through OpenRouter, and Twilio charges per SMS sent. For most small businesses, that's pennies a day to stop the lead leak entirely. By the end, you have a complete, running system that turns every missed call into an opportunity, without writing traditional code. If this walkthrough earned it, subscribe. One real AI automation build every week, and tell me in the comments which small business workflow I should tackle next. If you're ready to stop losing leads to voicemail, grab the lead rescue template from the description, give it a spin in demo mode, and when you're confident, flip the switch to live. Your next customer might be just a text away.
Keep it under 300 characters. Sound warm and human, zero corporate speak. Apologize for missing the call. Promise a real person will ring back soon. Drop in the booking link. And never, ever invent prices or promises. The AI itself? Free. The template uses a free model through a service called OpenRouter, one key, dozens of AI models, and the default costs nothing to run. One detail I'm proud of, your key is never stored inside the workflow. It lives outside, in your computer's settings, so you can share the file with anyone, no secrets inside. A tiny cleanup block trims the reply, and the SMS is ready. My favorite part of the whole build. Flip demo mode on, and you don't need Twilio at all. Instead of sending a real SMS, the message is delivered to a second mini workflow, the phone simulator. A pretend phone, living inside N8N. So the test goes like this. I run one tiny script, it fires a fake missed call at our doorbell. Watch the canvas light up, block by block, caught, filtered, personalized. Written by the AI. And ding, there it is on the simulator. Hi. So sorry we missed your call. A real person from Riverside Plumbing will call you back very soon. That's a real AI writing a real message, for $0. Tune the prompt until it sounds like you. Happy with it? Flip demo mode off, connect Twilio, and the exact same message goes out as a real text. 2 optional upgrades ship in the box, both switched off until you want them. 1. A Google Sheets logger. Every rescued lead lands in a spreadsheet, who called, what the AI said, and when, so your follow-up list builds itself. 2. An email alert. The second a lead is rescued, you get a heads up with their number and the exact text they received, so you can call back while they're still holding their phone. And that part matters. The AI buys you time, but the callback is where you win the customer. Both are ordinary N8N blocks. Prefer Slack, Telegram, or your CRM. Swap them in. So that's the machine. A doorbell, a filter, one form with your info, an AI writer, and a pretend phone to test it all, plus the lead log and alerts when you want them. And you don't have to build any of it. The whole thing is in the description as the lead rescue template. Setup takes about 10 minutes, import 2 files into N8N, add your free AI key, fill in the 6 boxes, and test in demo mode. Going live is 3 small steps, flip the switch, connect Twilio, and paste your doorbell address into your number settings. The costs? N8N, free. The AI, free. Twilio, cents per text. If this build helped you, subscribe, one real AI automation build every week. Now go rescue some leads. Grab the lead rescue template below, test it in demo mode tonight, and flip it live when it sounds like you. Your next customer might already be a missed call away.